Hey guys, welcome back. Some of you might be happy to hear that we did some work on the orange 74 Kenworth. Our good friend Chris came down and helped us out. He hauled the truck to his shop in Pratt, and him and my dad got the rear axle seals fixed. Got both these axle seals done. Got all the brakes put back together. Didn't change out any drums or anything. I'm just going to leave the stock ones on there. They're wore, but it'll work for now. Had to change this plug out here. The original one had an Allen screw and it was soft and the center was tore up. This one here was able to get out. So we should be able to go down the road now. But there's the chief mechanic. What's up? This is the tire. What do you think of that, bud? Is that a good tire? Is that a good tire? That's a 30-mile-an-hour tire. That's a donut drive this truck with that tire. Here's a little bit of information about the truck. We had left a comment on the first video we made about it, but I'm sure a bunch of you didn't see that. It was built in November of '73, but wasn't titled until January of '74. So that's why it was able to be ordered with the special gold 50th anniversary emblems, but still be titled as a '74 model. My dad also talked to a guy at a truck show a few weeks ago, and he said that you had to special order the gold emblems, and that makes perfect sense because almost all the other '73 models have the chrome and red emblems, so kind of makes you wonder how many were actually ordered with the gold emblems. Getting a piece of flex pipe ready to go in there. These straight pipes that we're putting on here came off my dad's '84 Peterbilt. They're not perfect, they're scratched up and got some dings, but they look better than the mufflers and sound a lot better too, so we thought those would be fun to have on there throughout the truck show and probably leave them on there.
You get it, Liz? I need a die grinder. I'm on a die grinder. turn signal on. Needs to get into it.
Alright, well that's all for today. You'll see this truck again shortly because we got the truck show video coming out pretty soon. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. We'd appreciate that a bunch. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.